What's going on? Um, I'll do a recap for today. Ended up taking a trade, but I made a big mistake, which ended up leading me with a smaller loss. It's not too big, but um, definitely could have been avoided. So let me take these off. So yeah, coming into today, I recognize we had this 4 hour for value gap. The fact that we're at all-time highs now. We had an S&P at all-time highs. I'll just waiting to see how price would react at open, and coming into open, seeing this candle close, we swept Asia low and we tapped into this 1 hour CISD. So that was a high time frame flow state model for me into the fair value gap. So now I want to see price go to the upside, right? This first little expansion, there was no SMT, so I didn't want to just jump into this one. So I waited for SMT, and we eventually got it right here. First SMT, and then I think that's when I looked. Yeah, that's when I looked for an entry, and I took my first trade, entered on that expansion after we tapped into CISD, targeting this high. Now, where I went wrong, right? Also, we did have a 15-minute CRT, right? So this is CRT high and low, right? So where I went wrong is when price came down here, I started to get in my head. I started to see this 1 hour order block, and I thought there was a model playing out to the downside. And I was like, oh, we're going short because we started to come back down here, and I didn't want to take a loss. I was thinking about the outcome, and I ended up, when we came down at 11:15, put my stop right here, and I got turtle souped out right before we expanded. So I moved my stop. I trailed it after we stopped down. All right, I put my stop up here because I was like, okay, there's no reason we should come any lower, and price ended up souping me, and then started to move to the upside. And yeah, that's kind of what happened. So my analysis was correct, but my emotions, I didn't want to take a loss, so I ended up adjusting my stop loss where it didn't need to be adjusted, and think about the outcome, right? So I followed my rules, my trade criteria, but of course I let my emotions get the best, and I ended up sabotaging a good trade. So this is price action is shit, so that's why I really just wanted to get out the trade as well. But yeah, this is just not good delivery, especially it's a no news Monday, so I should really be expecting that. It's like nothing surprising. But yeah, kind of screwed myself over right here, and down 300 right now on my eval. So gonna see how the rest of this week goes. Just have to trade my plan, and I'll be profitable, right? So it's just simple as that. And if I continue to make these mistakes, I will not pass, right? So, but I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't do anything dumb today like I did. And yeah, you guys have a good trading week. Peace.